I'm not a sailor, but my family owns a boat and I frequently go out on fishing trips in the sea with my dad. It's usually more us talking about life with him doing most of the fishing. Well, on one trip, we were out about I think 10 miles from the beach. My dad was telling me about how he got into and won a bar fight, and I was just silently listening when a weird whistling howling sound sort of surrounded us. I can't really describe it. It was like a cross between a whale and the sound of someone blowing air over an open bottle. My dad looked pretty calm, but I could tell he was freaked out too. It went on for about another minute, slowly becoming stronger, until it just abruptly ended with a screech from somewhere in the water. We never talk about it and I still wonder what was making that sound.